Welcome back, Crammers, to question 13. The diagram shows the plan of a floor. Indira is going to paint the floor. She needs to buy enough tins of paint to cover the floor with one coat of paint. Each tin of paint covers an area of 7 meters squared. Each tin of paint costs 23.9 pounds. Indira wants to buy the least possible number of tins of paint. That means this cannot be a decimal. Work out the total cost of tins of paint Indira buys or show your working cleared. So what do I mean by not a decimal? It means she can only have a whole number of paint, but she can have a decimal of pounds. So let's see what I mean. Firstly, if we're able to find the whole area and divide it by 7, multiply by 23.9, we can then find the total value of the paint she needs. So firstly, we can see that this shape is comprised of two rectangles, but this side is not given. We can see that 15 minus 8 will give us that size. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. And we can see here. Now, to find the area of a rectangle is simply length times width. So for this area, it's simply 12 times 8 plus 7 times 3, which is then divided by 7, since one tin of paint covers an area of 7 meters squared. Now I can see here 12 times 8 is 96, plus 7 times 3 is 21, divided by 7. 96 plus 21 is 117 divided by 7. I can then use our calculator here. We have 117 divided by 7, which is 16.7, which is equal to 16.7. But this is 16.7 tins. Since we can't have half a tin, we have to round up here. So we simply have 17 tins. And since each tin costs 23.9, we simply multiply by 23.9. And then we can find our value. So we simply have 17 times 23.9. We have 406.3 pounds. 406.3 pounds. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.